Oh, this is sick. Insert card. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Will and I are in Dublin for the weekend-ish. We're here on Saturday and we leave early Monday morning. We are staying at Hard Rock Hotel in the centre of Dublin, and oh my gosh, I have to do a room tour. It's awesome, isn't it? Will is hiding. So, room tour! So as soon as we come in the doors right here, we have wardrobe. So let's have a look. I haven't looked in here yet. Oh my god. It's got a light in it. So we've got a kettle, 2 takeaway cups, milk, tea, coffee, hot chocolate. We've got some drawers. We've got an ironing board. We've got some hangers. We've got a luggage holder. Oh, you can't even see that, it's too dark. Luggage holder. We've got an iron there. Hairdryer, safe. And then as you come in, we've got this on the left where you insert your card, touch screen to like aircon and heating, decide whether we want the room to be made up or not disturbed. How cool. Then we have this awesome mirror here, which is looking at the bed. And then into the bathroom. So there isn't a door on the bathroom. You just walk in and there's this beautiful mirror and sink out here. Some little tissues. Hi. Oh my god, it lights up as you wave. That's cool. Some little towels, plugs. What have I got? Body lotion, shower cap and skincare bar. Then we've got more towels and shelves down here. And right here, if we get it to wake up maybe, we can turn the room light on, the bathroom light on and the mirror light on and off. And then go into the bathroom. There is a door on the bathroom. I just missed it. A little painting and a little toilet. A pretty floor. And then in this room here, we have the shower. Look how big. It's a waterfall shower and there's the separate little head. It turns on over here. Don't really want to walk in with my shoes on. Got shampoo, body wash and conditioner and like mirrored tiles. And then I'll turn the bathroom off. One little chair, a bed. How epic is that headboard? And then we've got a Keurig. Oh, sorry, we've got an espresso machine there with like little cups of coffee. Then we've got more plugs. We have UK and EU and American plugs. What? We have the desk light, which is that one. We have room light, which is on. And then we have a little phone, some water. So we have still and sparkling. Then we've got a little bay window, which looks out onto the street, which you can't really see very well, but we have a Will hiding.
Hi.
And on our bedside tables, we have a USB plug, UK plug. We've got all of the settings, the master light. Oh, turn everything off. And room on, bedside. Oh, I wonder what it's like with the night light. I don't know where that night light is coming from, but it did get a bit brighter.
The TV, I think.
Oh, it's coming from over the bathroom.
Was it?
The night light is just the toilet.
Oh.
So the night light is just the toilet light, which is quite cool. So I'm gonna turn the room back on.
So it is.
So yeah, anything in our little... But how awesome is this? Oh, the pillows have the little Hard Rock emblems in.
That's so cool.
And most important part. How comfy is this bed? Ready?
I mean, you do you, and then I'm going to do me.
I missed
How is
it.
it?
Oh, this is so good.
Oh!
How is it? This is awesome. And they also, when you're checking in, ask you what sort of music that you want. So we chose classic rock. So as we walked in, there was classic rock music playing on the telly. And yeah,